Alright, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create and configure System Restore. Now, System Restore is very simple. In its name, System Restore, the ability to revert back to previous version of your system. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dominic, and as you already know, I teach anything related to PCs. I give you instructional videos, tutorials, and how to troubleshoot any problems you face with your PC. So, the need for System Restore, you really need it. If you haven't set it up, I really suggest you follow this tutorial carefully and set it up so that it can literally save your life. So, when we talk of System Restore, why do we need it? Before any Windows driver installation or any critical configuration of your system, whether registry edits, configuration, any system application that you are installing, any changes that is critical, you really need System Restore, because if there is a problem and you can't revert back, you are stuck with what you have, and the best thing would have to be to clear everything. But then having System Restore, any faulty changes that happens, you can revert back. Now, a common example is what happened some months ago with CrowdStrike and Microsoft. CrowdStrike pushed an update, and then all Windows that were automatically updated it, and then they had a serious issue. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. First is to open Control Panel. Now, Control Panel is most of the times any administrator file or configuration you want to do. It is related to Control Panel. Okay, so opening Control Panel using whether Run option or Windows search. You search for Control Panel. Now, your system may show small icons or category. It doesn't matter, they are all the same options. So here, we click on System and Security. If yours is under small or large option, here we have System. You click on System. Alright, so clicking on System, or when we have System and Security, clicking on System over here. It opens your Windows settings. Now, under settings, here, related links, we can see System Protection. Okay, System Protection, you can click on it, and then System Restore opens. Okay, now, another way of opening System Restore so that you'll be able to configure it is by searching for System Restore. Here, you can see Create a Restore Point. You can click on it to open System Restore. Alright, looking here, you can see that I've set protection on for my Windows drive. That is the C. It is on. But then for the E, it is off. So any changes I make that is pertaining to the Windows C, and if I have System Restore enabled, I can revert back. But with the E, if I make any changes and then when there is a problem, I wouldn't be able to revert back. Okay, so the way to set up your protection to be on is you click on the drive that you want to set up the protection and configure. This option opens. Here we can see that Disable System Protection is on. So you click on Turn on System Protection. Down here, we have to set up an allocated portion of your hard disk so that the restore point can be created in that particular space. So I'll make about 3%. That is 9 gigs. 9 gig is a lot for System Restore. You can make multiple restore points and it wouldn't even amount to 9 gig. So 9 gig is for me okay. Click on OK. You can see protection is now on. Now, after creating this, you have to create the specific restore point so that Windows will capture a snapshot. So, like let's say I want to make a driver installation or a driver update. Before I do that, I create a system restore so that if I do the Windows update and there's a problem, I can revert back to the initial stage before I made the installation. I hope you get me. So here we click on create, and then here you can type anything that describes the process you're about to do. So it can be driver installation. Let me use registry edit. So I want to make changes in my registry. I can create it. All right. So you wait for the restore point to be created, and then you can set up your system restore. Okay. Now, the restore point was created successfully. Close. So you've created your system restore. That's as easy as it gets. All right. So let's say after the update and then there was a problem. Okay. You have to restore back to your previous version. So open system restore again. Here we can see system restore up here. You click on system restore. This opens. Next, you can see registry edit. So if I want to revert back, I'll choose this one, registry edit. Now you can see I have multiple restore points. Here I was doing a driver update for my second monitor. Here was a general Windows driver update. And here is what I just created. So clicking on this, we click on next. Now, here, scan for affected programs. You can see the changes that happened with that restore point. Now, because I did nothing, when it comes, it will show nothing. All right, good. So you wait to scan for affected programs. Here, none detected because I didn't make any changes. But if you made some changes, they will show here. All right, so click on registry edit, next, and then we can finish it. So once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. All right, it means as the system is restoring to its previous version, you can't turn off the PC. So if you are using a plug and play, I'll suggest you maybe get a UPS to support it so that if there is maybe a sudden power cut, you don't get affected and crash your system. But if you are using a laptop with battery enough, it's fine. So you click on yes, and then that will be it. Preparing to restore your system. So it's going to restart a couple of times. When it's restart, it will be shown as done. All right, good. So that's it for how to create and configure system restore so that you don't lose your settings, configuration, files, and applications. All right. If you face any problems or challenges, let me know down in the comment section. If you like videos such as this, give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel for more content such as this. Turn on the post notifications so that you get updates if I post any video. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.